Hey guys, I'm back on another video, and today I'm gonna do a neon dog. So I have all of these full ones, just not them. So let's start.
Sit down, you sit down.
Gosh, I just full grown the post-teen dog, and now I have all 4 full grown dogs. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this, but I just want, I want people to come so they could see it. Nobody came because the server was Spanish, and I didn't really notice in the chat because I didn't care. I'm really sorry for the really big lag, especially when I go into stuff and go out. Okay, so we're inside. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I have made a neon riding flamingo. So now it's time to make a neon, not riding, but just neon dog. Okay. So I made all these queens, name more queens, but they have different colors. Like I like blue, I like green, I like pink, I like yellow. And because I wanted it to make it like it would show out of these colors of the neon thing, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can see I renamed here because it was first purple, but then I just renamed it the color to green. Yes, green. No, yellow. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, so I'm really sorry for the bad recorder voice. So yeah. Oh my gosh, we're doing it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like super cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. I can't believe I got it. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. Shout out to OW